Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got something really exciting to share with you, a brand new AI coding agent that's been making waves. It's called Ager, and it's an open-source, autonomous coding assistant that runs right in your terminal. What makes Ager stand out? Well, for starters, it's built with privacy in mind. It uses local large language models, meaning your code and data stay secure on your machine. Plus, it's incredibly versatile, offering an agent mode for autonomous tasks, a chat mode for interactive help, and an edit mode for refining existing code. But that's not all. Ager boasts multi-mode operation for seamless workflows, flexible model selection with temperature control, handy code diff previews, and even Git integration. Whether you're a coding newbie or a seasoned pro, Ager aims to be a powerful tool in your arsenal. And the best part? It's open source, extensible, and works across different platforms. Pretty cool, right? So, in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to download Ager and get started. First things first, head over to their official website. You'll find all the important links in the description below, so don't worry about scribbling them down now. Once you're there, navigate to the installation section. You'll see a couple of commands. The first command will download the core Ager files. So, go ahead, copy that command, paste it into your terminal, and hit that Enter key. You should see the installation process begin. Next up, copy the second command. This one will grab all the necessary dependencies. Paste it into your terminal and hit Enter again. All right, with those two steps done, you're all set. Now, open up the project you're currently working on in your favorite code editor, whether that's Versus Code, a JetBrains IDE, or something else entirely. To get familiar with Ager's capabilities, open up your terminal within that project and type Ager help. This will give you a comprehensive list of all the available commands and options. Now for the fun part. Let's put Ager's agent mode to the test. Keep in mind that I'm currently running Ager with the deepcoder 14B model. Here's the command I'm going to use. For this demonstration, I'm going to ask Ager to create a SaaS landing page for a fictional cloud computing website called Nexus Tech using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Let's see what it comes up with. And there we go. Ager is asking if I want to create the necessary files. Of course, I'll allow it. Okay, let me open up the HTML file now. Now, let's take a look at the output. Wow, look at that. We've got a fully functional landing page generated right here. I'm actually quite impressed with these results, especially considering it's being powered by a local LLM. It's worth noting that this is the very first release of Ager, and it's been developed by a single individual. So, it's likely we might encounter a few bugs here and there. But honestly, the potential here is really exciting. So, that's a quick look at Ager, a promising new open-source AI coding agent. Make sure to check out the links in the description below to download it and explore its features yourself. If you found this video helpful and exciting, please give it a like and consider subscribing for more tech explorations. Thanks for watching, and peace out.